So don't let this one fool you. What looks like a townhouse from the outside is actually a very spacious 2,300 square foot home with multiple living areas and even a bonus walkout lower level that you can't even see from the front of the house. It's an end unit, has a garage, no HOA dues, and you're right in the heart of Lake Ozark, Missouri. We're just minutes from all the marinas and the famous Bagnell Dam Strip. So come on in and take a look. We're at 34 Walnut Road in Lake Ozark. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath with a half-bath villa offers a spacious multi-level layout that's perfect for full-time living or even a lake getaway. The main level features your primary living room, your kitchen, a dining area, while the lower level gives you a second family room, a wet bar, and a flexible space for a game room or entertaining. The walkout lower level leads to a private patio with room for a fire pit or even an outdoor hangout. And the zero-scape landscaping and no HOA dues, this is easy, low-maintenance living right in the heart of Lake of the Ozarks. Thanks for taking a look with me today. If you'd like to schedule a private showing of this beautiful townhome, give us a call at the Fran Campbell team at 573-302-2390.